I'm right outside Clockwork in San Francisco, a company that's created a robot that can do your nails in 10 minutes for just under $10. I love when beauty and tech combine, but I'm curious to see how this robot is going to paint the perfect polish without leaving a mess or hurting my nails. So let's go check it out. You go to your appointment with bare nails, so no gel polish. But if you have regular nail polish on, you can remove it there. Then you pick your color and have a nail polish cartridge made for the machine. Clockwork offers colors from brands including OPI, CND, Essie, and L'Oreal.
So we are working on base and top coat, but right now we've picked polishes that don't need that necessarily.
Cute! It does a little test patch.
The trick to getting a really good coat is to be able to stay still. And every time I say that, people tend to tense up, but really you want to do is completely relax. And so the band holds you in place, and you want to just relax your whole arm, and then say the word ready, and then the robot goes ahead and paints your nails.
Ready. It is absolutely perfect. Whoa, it's so pigmented too.
We're using what's called a structured light camera. So it's basically a 3D camera. So when you paint your nails, you'll see some lights flashing, and that's the camera taking a ton of pictures really quickly, and it takes that and builds a 3D map of your fingernail, and that gets shipped to an AI that we've built that basically figures out where the edges of your nails are, and then it instructs the algorithms to actually go and paint, deposit polish in the right places.
The belt really keeps my finger in place. I've never been this still.
So when a human is painting a nail, they'll put some polish on, and there may be some streaks or thin spots, and they go over and do it again to get you an opaque coat. But for a robot, really, we try to do it all in one go, so that at the end of it, you still get a very opaque coat, but it takes much less time to do it.
Cute! And there you go. I love it so much. Yay! Okay. So now we get a little bit of quick dry coat in there.
We really think of ourselves as complementary to nail salons. So we are, say, the fast casual restaurants, and they are the sit-down restaurants. So there's a time and place for both things, right? When you want an elaborate, relaxing service, you have the nail salon. If you want to quickly get something done or change colors in between nail salon services, you can come to us.
Having a robot do my nails that accurately was the most convenient beauty service that I have tried. I barely felt anything, and I was really impressed that the nail polish wasn't running onto my fingers, so the fingernail scanning technology is extremely precise. I still love my gel polishes and nail art, but this is definitely something I'm hoping will reach more places like office buildings or retail stores for that on-the-go service.